Now we can actually run our application. So the application is made of one index file, which doesn't do much. We can just do console log hello world just for the sake of it, and let's try to run it. As we said in the folder structure, we want to provide an npm script to start the project, and the npm script is simply start. It's one of the standard. Now that we have Nodemon installed, we can simply use Nodemon to run the project. So it could be as simple as Nodemon src index.js, so that changes that we make to our file will be automatically reflected. We can take a look by running it in here. So if I do npm start now, there we go. Hello world, I can clearly see it. And if I run a change, hello world 1, hello world 2, and back to hello world. So the setup with Nodemon is correctly working. And this is our starting script.